Hello, good day, gentlemen and ladies. So, celebrity mechanic Dr. Cool. Today, you can see right here a brand new compressor, a Toyota Camry 2013 214 Toyota Camry automatic compressor. This compressor was pulled out of its system. They just installed it with a brand new condenser, which you're seeing behind me. But something happened. This customer brought it to me because after they fitted just about 2 days later, the system have a severe leak, which the person who installed it couldn't actually track proficiently. And before she actually got to me, she was praising the guy who actually did the job to be popular. But I told her that as far as car AC is concerned in Nigeria, it's not just in Nigeria. If there are top 5 best car AC technicians in the world, I'm among the top 5. I am not saying this in order to suit your mood. No, I'm saying this professionally. I'm saying this authoritatively. I'm saying this with the audacity. If I can't fix any car AC, then nobody's going to. If I can't be able to competently, critically analyze the system, do every troubleshoot and know exactly what is wrong with it, no matter the problem, except when it start diving into a serious electronic problem. But still, I can still provide a solution to it that in as much as you want car AC, like in Nigeria, there is a conversion pattern. But if you still want your car to work automatically, if it comes with automatic compressor, and you don't want any shortcut or any bypass, I am your best shot at affordable price. My price is unbeatable. Now, a lot of you people might start going crazy when I say my price is unbeatable. You can't compare me with your local technician. I'm not your local technician. If you want to compare me, you can compare me with Koscharis or Toyota Elizade. Those are the 2 people you can compare my service with in Abuja here. So be it Mercedes, be it BMW, it doesn't matter the car, make, and model. Now, I'm actually, you can see the oil that is coming out of here is very dirty. Now this woman, she's already getting angered because I'm charging her to redo the work, but not the charge I'm going to charge you to start it afresh. So I'm trying to cleanse the entire system here, and I'm going to be showing you a pool of another black oil here. Let me get some white clean stuff so you can pour it and see how dirty that oil is. You can see it. That's my point. So it is not about who they tell you that is the best. It's about who is actually the best. She was saying she's going to go ahead and start troubling the person that sold the compressor to her, that she sold a compressor that is defective. I said, no, the person that sold it to you is not the person who messed up. Is the person who fitted it is the one that messed up. And that is something which I cannot stress over enough. When I told you guys that when you have a brand new compressor and a brand new condenser, the 95% determining factor of what is going to determine the durability and efficiency of your car AC is not on those compressor, the condenser, or the entire component, but who installs it. And that is why who installs it has to take the lion's share, not the parts. I know this is gonna hurt you, but that's the truth. The person who fits it takes the lion's share. If you understand what that means, technicality of what that means is the cost of the service charge. It should be much more, maybe equal or even higher than the cost of the parts. Why? because the parts cannot fit themselves. Get 100 compressors and give it to the wrong person who doesn't understand the system, especially when it comes to automatic compressors. You cannot fit it in by lock. I have a Muslim man who is calling me from from Kaduna. They've replaced the automatic compressor like 2 or 3 times. I think that's what he told me. But after a week or so, it fails. It starts making a rattling noise. So you cannot get it by lock. And when you don't want to get it by lock, if you want to match the energy, which I'm putting out in this very video here and my audacity, just tell the person to give you 2 months warranty, which is 60 days or 30 days warranty after installing the automatic from you. But here is the catch. When you start hearing, okay, just convert it and get rest of mind, then that is literally telling you that they cannot competently fit in that very compressor inside that very system, and therefore they're pushing you towards the very path that they are very comfortable and conversant with, which is manual compressor or fixed displacement compressor. So when you have a car AC problem that is giving you concern, I am the last bus stop. If I cannot fix it, nobody in Nigeria can be able to fix it. And the crazy part, you have nothing to lose. You stand a chance of 50 to 80% money back if I can fix it, which is near to impossible. There haven't been like 98% of the car that comes to my garage. If they leave without fixing their car, there is only one condition: they cannot afford the service charge. I'm not saying that I'm too expensive. No, I'm saying I cut in between the middles, right? No, I mean expensive. When you check the methodology which I use in fixing cars and the arrays of other things surrounding it with the technicians which you have locally, no, it's incomparable. And with the pricing, the affordability, no, it's incomparable. Because I've seen different cars that they've given estimate from this other dealership. Yes, the dealership. And they came to me and I fixed the problem at a fraction of the cost. And that's the take. So if he can give you up to 2 months or 30 days warranty, then that shows you that, no, he doesn't know his onion. If he cannot give you money back guarantee, then what's your guarantee? What's your safety net if things goes wrong? Maybe within a week, maybe within 2 weeks. That is what you should consider as a car owner who is having a car AC problem. So I'll see you on the other side. When you have car AC problem, I got your back. I remain Dr. Cool, your celebrity mechanic, the unbeatable.